morning, welcome to Southern Cross Guard. Now this morning we're just going to do a walkthrough of a typical Indonesian wet market. This is on Jalan Glogor in South Denpasar. Just see how hectic it is in here. This is just where you park and the beginning of the markets. So we'll just do a quick walkthrough and show you how hectic it is in an Indonesian market. So there's a lot of clothes and stuff on the front. If we can get down into the market, come on, look. So on the front there's a lot of food, just typical breakfast foods, and on the sides there's all the shops. And then we'll get down into the wet market, have a look. Plastic shops, there's a coconut shop. The market cats. Hello. Sunglasses. Alright, so now is when it'll get hectic inside the wet market. So this is all the vegetables and meats. Ada broccoli di sini ya, saya. Nah, capsicum juga. Mungkin dalam ada lagi ya. So this is all the meat. Alright. Chicken, beef. Looks like this side's all chicken. Got fish. Hello, Ibu. Good morning. Right. So the fish. There's a lot of fish, a lot of chicken. Hey, Pak. The pig, huh? It's making the offerings. Hello, Ibu. Making offerings, the Hindu offerings. bags and kids' toys. What's going on here? It's really busy. As you can see here, they're buying all the flowerings to make the Hindu offerings. Hello. Salak berapa satu kilo? 25,000. You said 3 plus di sana. Oh my god. Bisa? Come on, sir. Morning. There's some jewelry. Hello. Wait. What? Oh, jajan. I saw the jajan. Like snack foods. Hello. This is just typical snack food, breakfast food. It's called jajan. And there's tempeh, tofu.
Hello, mister.
What? Now they've even got makeup in here for the girls.
Hello.
What? Chicken. Right, you can see how hard it is to get around in here in some areas. So it's 20,000, it's about $2 Australian. Just a look, what do you get? For a bag of cakes? $2. Right, so we're hunting some chicken. Some good little knives here. Getting half a kilo of chicken. That's what I feed to my dog. It's so cheap, it's cheaper than dog food, so we just buy them chicken. It's about $1.50 for a half a kilo of chicken. Okay, so we got some cat food and some dog food. So you get 3 pairs of pants for 20,000, like $2. So she's buying them for her niece. There's some more offerings. There's big ceremonies tomorrow on Monday called Galungan, Hindu ceremonies. So these are special offerings for that. And And that's it. That's Kangkung Market on Jalan Glogor Chari in Pemogin, South Denpasar.